I'm going to show you how to take the carpet out of a second gen Prius. As you can see, everything is pretty much out already, but I'll start from the back if the car is open. So you can see here why I'm getting the carpet out. So the first thing to do is pop out a pin here. Here's the pin. Just this. Pops in the hole, and this whole area becomes loose. And same thing on the other side. I'm just going to show you on this side for now. So then the carpet is clipped under these right here. You can see the clip just goes in, folds over, locks in place. And you don't have to take the seat belt off right here. Let me pop this one so you can see. It's already cut, so you don't have to do anything. So you can just pull it down. And go to the other side. On the front. So this is all loose already. It's the same thing. It just clips up, then clips inside here, clips inside. This is the last clip, and then all up here, this just pulls down, and it can pull right out. So obviously you need to do some disassembly before doing this. The back seat is clipped in here and over there, and then there's clips in the back that'll lift the whole back seat off. The backs of the back seat have 2 screws holding them in. They're 14 millimeter. Same on that side. And then you can pull these out. You don't have to disassemble everything in the back if you don't want to. I'm working on another issue that I'm having, but this was the main part. These are 14 millimeters, 14, 14, 14, and 14. These are for the driver's seat. Passenger seat is the same thing. You can see I have the screws in there. These screws are, I believe they were 12 or 10. I believe they're 12. This is for the JBL bracket, the JBL sound, which goes over there. It's the same setup. This one was for, my car has the 6-disc changer. So this was for the 6-disc changer, which plugs into here. And the JBL plugs in over there. These plugs are when you, well, first thing you need to do before you do anything is disconnect your battery in the back. You can disconnect it right there. You don't have to disconnect anything over here. Just do that that little screw right there, and you'll be fine. So then once you do that, you can disconnect these. These are just from the bottom of the driver's seat. This is for the airbag and the seatbelt tensioner. And then to get the console out, there's 4 bolts. These 2 are in the back of the console. Then there's a screw here and a screw here. That's it. And then you have to pop off this panel here. That's the only one that has to come off. So once you get all that off and you take the kick panel off, this just pries right off. You don't need any tools for that. Just pulls off. Then you can literally just pull the carpet. Like, get closer. Are you following one of my hands? Mm-hmm. closet. Okay, carpet is just about out. Here's the inside. Okay, just gonna pull this out now with all the other shit. Check everything, make sure everything is disconnected. I'll pull the cables through. Okay, that's everything. And the carpet is out. Garbage. All right. So here's the inside. If you ever wondered what it looked like. So all my screws are in. Gonna vacuum all this out. Wonder last time that pencil was ever found or used. Yikes. Gonna have to clean all that up. Alright, let me check the other side. There's the interior. About to go back in. Let's check under here. It's not so bad. We'll get this all cleaned out. Vacuumed up. This one is stuck on. I'm not even going to pull it up. It's not stuck on. Alright. So that's how you pull the carpet out of a Gen 2 Prius.